Meaning of grouse.
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 Grouse. The word grouse can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One meaning of grouse refers to a type of game bird found in the northern hemisphere that is commonly hunted for sport or food. Another meaning of grouse is to complain or grumble about something in a persistent and irritating way. This can be seen as a negative behavior as it often involves a lack of proactive action and results in negativity. Overall, grouse can refer to a bird or a behavior that is characterized by complaining.